Every day I climb the tree. Today I am climbing the tree. Tomorrow I will climb the tree. Yesterday I climbed the tree. Every day I swim fast. Today I am swimming fast. Tomorrow I will swim fast. Yesterday I swam fast. Every day I swim fast. Today I am swimming fast. Tomorrow I will swim fast. Yesterday I swam fast. Every day I sit on the chair. Today I am sitting on the chair. Tomorrow I will sit on the chair. Yesterday I sat on the chair. Every day I stand outside. Today I am standing outside. Tomorrow I will stand outside. Yesterday I stood outside. Every day I meet my friends. Today I am meeting my friends. Tomorrow I will meet my friends. Yesterday I met my friends. Every day I talk to him. Today I am talking to him. Tomorrow I will talk to him. Yesterday I talked to him. Every day I listen to music. Today I am listening to music. Tomorrow I will listen to music. Yesterday I listened to music. Every day I look outside. Today I am looking outside. Tomorrow I will look outside. Yesterday I looked outside. Every day I wash dishes. Today I am washing dishes. Tomorrow I will wash dishes. Yesterday I washed dishes. Every day I smell flowers. Today I am smelling flowers. Tomorrow I will smell flowers. Yesterday I smelled flowers. Every day I enjoy music. Today I am enjoying music. Tomorrow I will enjoy music. Yesterday I enjoyed music. Every day I taste the soup. Today I am tasting the soup. Tomorrow I will taste the soup. Yesterday I tasted the soup. Every day I touch the wall. Today I am touching the wall. Tomorrow I will touch the wall. Yesterday I touched the wall. Every day I feel happy. Today I am feeling happy. Tomorrow I will feel happy. Yesterday I felt happy. Every day I comb my hair. Today I am combing my hair. Tomorrow I will comb my hair. Yesterday I combed my hair. Every day I wear a shirt. Today I am wearing a shirt. Tomorrow I will wear a shirt. Yesterday I wore a shirt. Every day I hold a pen. Today I am holding a pen. Tomorrow I will hold a pen. Yesterday I held a pen. Every day I keep my bag. Today I am keeping my bag. Tomorrow I will keep my bag. Yesterday I kept my bag. Every day I find my key. Today I am finding my key. Tomorrow I will find my key. Yesterday I found my key. Every day I lose my pen. Today I am losing my pen. Tomorrow I will lose my pen. Yesterday I lost my pen. Every day I break the glass. Today I am breaking the glass. Tomorrow I will break the glass. Yesterday I broke the glass. Every day I fix the clock. Today I am fixing the clock. Tomorrow I will fix the clock. Yesterday I fixed the clock. Every day I send a message. Today I am sending a message. Tomorrow I will send a message. Yesterday I sent a message. Every day I receive letters. Today I am receiving letters. Tomorrow I will receive letters. Yesterday I received letters. Every day I start work. Today I am starting work. Tomorrow I will start work. Yesterday I started work. Every day I start work. Today I am starting work. Tomorrow I will start work. Yesterday I started work. Every day I plan trips. Today I am planning trips. Tomorrow I will plan trips. Yesterday I planned trips. Every day I celebrate birthdays. Today I am celebrating birthdays. Tomorrow I will celebrate birthdays. Yesterday I celebrated birthdays. Every day I remember names. Today I am remembering names. Tomorrow I will remember names. Yesterday I remembered names. Every day I forget things. Today I am forgetting things. Tomorrow I will forget things. Yesterday I forgot things. Every day I love my family. Today I am loving my family. Tomorrow I will love my family. Yesterday I loved my family. Every day I hate lies. Today I am hating lies. Tomorrow I will hate lies. Yesterday I hated lies. Every day I need help. Today I am needing help. Tomorrow I will need help. Yesterday I needed help. Every day I want peace. Today I am wanting peace. Tomorrow I will want peace. Yesterday I wanted peace. Every day I hope for success. Today I am hoping for success. Tomorrow I will hope for success. Yesterday I hoped for success. Every day I trust my friend. Today I am trusting my friend. Tomorrow I will trust my friend. Yesterday I trusted my friend.